From inside of YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com, your dashboard for your channel, come over to the Earn tab on the left side. And if you're seeing this for the first time, if you're opening this for the first time, you'll get this pop-up that's telling you can begin to earn sooner with access to fan funding and shopping features. Click Got It. And the requirements for eligibility for monetization, and this is a brand new channel, obviously, is at the first tier of earning is you have to have 500 subscribers minimum. You have to have uploaded at least 3 videos within the last 90 days, and you have to have at least 3,000 watch hours or 3 million public shorts views. As soon as you accomplish that criteria, then there will be a button here that says apply for monetization, and then it'll basically submit your channel to YouTube to review and make sure that you're not violating any copyrights, you're not using music you're not supposed to, or stealing other people's content. And if you pass their checks, then within a day or two, you'll get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. And then beyond that, there is the ability to monetize your channel from ads. And to do that, it's a little bit more stringent. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million public views. And then once you've accomplished that, then you get a share of the YouTube ad revenue that comes from ads playing on your channel.